Now, the Ethereum chart today is a little bit tricky to trade. What do I mean? Well, if you look at this chart here, we are basically forming an upward pattern, but with bearish candles. Now, I still have this trade open, of course, but staying above the $2,000 level, quite frankly, feels a little bit like this sometimes, guys. Guys, hit the like button because you need comedy at times like this. Ethereum has felt a little bit like this throughout the whole bull market. But do you know what? There are some bullish signs as well. I'm going to show you the other charts that I'm looking at. But I think, first of all, we need to take a look at Bitcoin, because Bitcoin at the moment has been forming this downward wedge. And just a couple of days ago, we did eventually get the breakout. And we're now seeing, if you zoom in here, this would be a 2-hourly candle chart. So lower time frame, you can see the dates here. We are now creating higher lows and higher highs. And we've broken out above 85,000. We came in for a retest there. And you can see on this Bitcoin chart, which is a daily chart, shows us exactly this big wedge forming, descending, broadening wedge. And we're right at the point now of getting a breakout. And of course, when we get Bitcoin off to the races, the whole market can ignite. And it's exactly kind of what's been going on. Yesterday, when I made my video, I explained exactly how I'm trading this. Now, in terms of trading Ethereum, yes, I have a long trade open. I also have a long trade open on Aptos and Solana, all nicely in the profits at the moment. By the way, if anyone does want to take a trade, check out the links for Blofin or WEEX down below. Huge bonuses there, and you can trade without KYC or anything like that. But for me, the Bitcoin chart looks good, so we can look at Ethereum. And on the lower time frame, we are forming, like I explained yesterday, this cup and handle pattern. We're back above this major support zone. But I do think it's incredibly important that Ethereum rallies at least up to this sort of $2,200 level to confirm it is a bounce. I mean, it looks like a bounce, and you can see, on the higher time frames that Ethereum, just like it did in 2020, is performing a very similar pattern. If you were in crypto then, if you were in Ethereum, basically, it was a huge retail bearish bottom that we got. Yes, largely because of what happened with the pandemic and everything, but similar chart setup, similar wedge. That wedge for Ethereum is the same wedge that you're seeing basically in Bitcoin. Ethereum has a similar pattern on the low time frame, that is. But I think we're playing out very similar. And actually, Bitcoin did something in 2021, which Ethereum, it's mirroring right now. So I think if you're looking to open a trade right now, the value in terms of upside potential, obviously without taking huge risks like meme coins and altcoins, which, by the way, you can trade on Blofin WEEX, link down below for a bonus. I think it has to be Ethereum. And when you put it like this, I'll show you, you have the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, which is very much at the bottom of the range. Ethereum against Bitcoin is down 70% over the last 2 years. This is a huge opportunity through Ethereum, because every time in the past that's happened, Ethereum has been the biggest performer. And looking at the Ethereum weekly levels like we did yesterday, support is in at $1,884. The next resistance level, guys, is clearly at $2,800 and beyond. So with my current trades, currently Ethereum is $4,000 in profit. You can trade that if you want, but manage risk accordingly. Choose between $25 and $1,000 for your welcome bonus on Blofin there, or you can trade on WEEX. These are the deposit amounts to get some free crypto. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, guys. Have the bell turned on, subscribe for future videos, and make sure you click below for the Telegram group where I share my insights in real time. For example, I will show you very quickly, for those of you not in the Telegram, this is kind of what it looks like. It's free to join. It's our community channel. I share exclusive insights that I don't share anywhere else. So make sure you join that Telegram and join us, join the family. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.